Guys, welcome to another video. Today I am taking you with me to and through. We are going to Murbridge, but to Bunnings just to pick up a paint that limits mildew on the wall, because in the winter we find out that we're having mildew on part of a wall in our bathroom. So we're gonna get the paint today. So the lighting is not so good at this part that I'm doing the video, so we are now taking you with us today. So hope you will enjoy this ride. Big up my subscribers and thank you for all the comments. They are lovely comments. So let's get on with it, guys. We are heading towards Manhattan Zoo. Actually, they changed the entrance. So guys, I am now heading into the fruit and vegetable shop. I've never taken you in there before, but I'm always showing you passing the fruit and vegetable shop. So this is where they have everything that you could ever want. So guys, when I was looking for the durian fruit last week, there was a guy that was assisting me. So guys, I'm gonna take up some fig and most of the things they are packing up now. So I'm just gonna do a quick video showing all that's in here, and then I am gonna go to the cashier with what I have, because I've picked up some things already. I've cut the video before. So here is the bitter melon, guys. This is for diabetic, and here is some broad beans. I've never had this before. Some big beans. Wow. So guys, I'm gonna go to the cashier, so I'm gonna cut this video. So guys, they have strawberries here and blueberries. So it's the blueberry and the strawberry. So guys, I've got, this is what I purchased inside here. So Tony is in the vehicle. So I'm gonna cut this video until we get to our next destination. So guys, we are at the gas station. Tony is taking some petrol outside. Why? So guys, it is getting warm and I think I need a soft serve today. We are at Bunnings again. This is our favorite store.
That's the only hardware stores. That's what happens when you're a conglomerate. You boil the little fellas out and push them out the door.
Yeah.
And these ones here are the only ones that have survived. Through here.
That's a good idea. We are going inside now. So guys, we are in the paint section, and I hope somebody comes quickly here.
Patient tradesman in the world.
Yeah, my husband is not the most patient person.
That's what you get when you're a tradesman. You can't understand what other people can't do their job.
You know what? Let me go and look for somebody. Guys, I'm going to cut the video. So guys, he's taking us around another section to show us that we have a paint that something can add in the paint. Oh,
This little bottle will treat 15 liters of paint.
Okay.
Wow.
That would be the better way to go then, wouldn't it?
yeah.
I mean, it doesn't matter because we have paint, so hey,
Yeah, I think
just
so.
convert it. Beautiful.
Just
Yeah.
add this to it.
Done. Sale.
Wow, thank you
Thank you
so
very much
much
for
for
your
your help.
There's a smaller one if you need it, but because that's 20 mil, that's 75 mil. For the extra $10, it's just. Yeah.
Oh yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
You're a blessing. Hold on, Tony. I might have it.
Sounds like Tom's brother.
Yeah. Right, hold on there. Let me see if me have any. I have a roller that I'm gonna use. The one with non-drip.
Just watch your back.
The non-drip roller. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna use that. So guys, we got through and we got a small bottle that he says can add to
Any paint.
any paint, and then it keeps the mold away. So that's even better because we won't have to change the color of our bedroom and our bathroom. So can I just go over the plant section?
Yeah.
So we are going over to the plant section, guys. So guys, here we are again. So every time we come, you have different things in here. So guys, don't get bored. You have different type of flowers. Look at this. Different flowers every time we come. So we're gonna go around the section where to see if we see any different lettuce, so we can plant. Guys, here we have some chili pepper, and we have
Capsicum.
Capsicum.
Green pepper.
and we have beetroot. And you see the beetroot, it's a different thing. I think we should try.
Beets. Oh, it's stripy.
Yes,
Like zebra.
yeah. I think we should try and plant something like this. This is two. I'll see. Oh, I wonder if it would. Well, guys, I'm gonna try that because I have the original beet already at home, and these are nice. Sorry. So here we have pumpkin. So it's two different type, and here is kale. Oh my God.
Yuck.
Tony don't like kale, but
You think?
no, I give you in the juice though. Because guys, he has to get it somehow, some way.
You think I don't know, but I know. It's just that you put it with stuff I like, so I have to drink it.
Yeah, I put it with stuff that he likes, so he has to drink it. Let me see what you have there. Also, Tony pick up a chili pepper. You can put it in a basket, in the basket. So guys, we are also adding some kale to the garden. And you guys have a lot to see in that garden. So we had strawberry 2 years ago in the garden. These are, wow, this is pretty. So guys, we are leaving Bunnings. These are some nice tomato plants over here. Wow. Silver beet. Everything here is for, and this section is for $12. So let's go. And guys, you know I'm gonna end the video here with this little plant. It is so nice. This is a good idea. So guys, I could not end this video without showing you all of these barbecue pans and grills and smoke. You have smoke pans here too. The barrel smoker. So this is why I run back inside, so I can show you guys. So you put the gas, and this is the cooker on the side. And over here you have one with a sink. And of course, this is where I buy my seasoning to do all my barbecues. Actually, I'm about to do a fish, and I have a barbecue smoke seasoning already. So this is it, guys. So guys, outside we have some marigold plants. $2 each. And you have grass on this side. So you can buy and fix your lawn. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.